Very good morning, children. So last class I had started up with a new lesson number 1, that is in the park. So I had completed the lessons, and today exercises are there. I told you that you need to take your textbook with you. So I'll write on the board. Just go through that. Take a pencil, sharp pencil, and whatever I write on the board, copy it in your textbook, children. Okay? Yes. Come towards the board now. Yes. Now. Last class I had given you the first main, that was the true and false. Okay, we completed that. Now this is the second main, that is comprehension. Read the lesson and complete the following sentence. So once you are gone through the lesson, no, so I had explained the lesson about you, about the park. So what all you can do in a park, okay, those things. Now just we will complete the sentences now. Anu and a mother. You need not to write this, okay? Just copy the answer. Anu and the mother are in the park. Okay, they are given you dash. There you need to write park. Got it? No? Yes. Just write the answer, children. Don't write anything else. Yes, the children are dash in the park. Playing in the park. Neatly write down, children. Okay, sharp your pencil and write it very neatly. Okay, don't make mistakes. As I told you in the last class, if you're not able to see the board, take a screenshot of that and zoom it and write down, children. Okay, zoom the answer and you can see the spelling. Okay. Next. The ducks are in the dash. Where was the ducks? Pond. Yes. A small place. It will be filled with water and ducks will be left inside. Ducks, fishes will be there. Frog will be there. Like that. Next one. The sun is setting in the sky. The sun sets in the evening, as I told you last class. Okay. There is a butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly on the flower. On the flower. Yes. Next is the birds. The birds are flying here nests. Okay. Yes, one time I'll explain for you. Read the lesson and complete the following sentences. So whatever is there in the lesson, children, the same thing is being given in the fill in the blanks. Okay. Yes. Anu and her mother are in the park. So they had been to the park. Okay. The children are playing in the park. So once you go to the park, what do? You keep on playing. You're not ready to go home only. Mummy, I want to play little more time. You keep on telling, no. So that is the thing. The ducks are in the pond. Okay. The sun is setting in the sky. As I told you in the last class, the sun sets in the evening. Morning times rises, evening times it sets. Okay. There is a butterfly on the flower. Okay, the birds are flying to their nests. Got it now? Yes. Now I'll rub and I'll go to the next main, children. Yes, next main, children. Same page only, page number 13. Next page. Now the main is third main. It is who am I? Okay, who am I? Now here they given you 5 pictures, children. Okay, 3 pictures are in page number 30 and another 2 more are in the next page. Now first one, I'll just draw the figure for you so that you can identify very easily, children. Yes. Now very easily you can identify what is this. I give you light. I give you light. Who is it? Yes, sun. S-U-N. Write it as S-U-N, sun. They are given you S and N there. So one dash has been remaining there, children. Okay, in that, inside that you write off U. Okay, now the second picture. Second picture is a yes, they're given you a bird picture. So that, what is it shows? I can fly. I can fly. What is it? They're given you B dash dash D. So you need to write I-R-D, bird. Okay. Yes, come to the third picture. Third picture also is a beautiful bird. Yes, it's a I can swim. So this is I can swim. So which is that bird, children? Okay, you saw in the park in a pond. It is there in the pond. Okay, that is D dash dash K. So U-C-K, duck. Okay, now turn to the next page, children. Come to page number 14. Come to page number 14. Another 2 more pictures are there. Okay, I just rub this and I'll go for the next one. Just take out your pencil and copy, children. Okay, don't waste your time seeing here and there. Yes, the fourth picture. Fourth picture, they've given you a monkey picture, children. I can't write the monkey picture, so just I'll write off. I can swing on trees. So I can swing on trees. Which is that animal? Yes. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Yes. Yes. Got it, no? Monkey. Yes. Next is a beautiful insect, children. What is it? You can see in the park every time, whenever you see. Yes. What is this, children? Yes. Butterfly. Okay. So this is a beautiful insect. Okay. They're given you as I sit on flowers. I sit on flowers. B dash TT dash RF dash Y. So you should write UTTERFLY, butterfly. Got it, no? Yes, I have completed the third main, children. Okay, now we are going to the fourth main. Fourth main also is very easy, children. That is, write the opposites of. Okay, I continue here only. Write the opposites of these words. Okay, now the first one. The first one they given you in. So what you need to write in the dash? You need to write out. Okay, inside. In means inside the house. Okay, out means you're going out of the house, like that. Okay. Yes. The second one. Yes. What is the opposite of yes? No. So once you come to school, we'll ask you, have you done your homework? So what you tell? Yes. If you're not done, you will tell no. Come. What is the opposite of come? It is go. Yes. Coming. Come means coming inside. Okay. Go outside. Going outside. Okay. I'll continue here. Next one. Fourth one. Some. Many. Some means having very few. Okay. Many means having many chocolates. Like you're celebrating your birthday in the school. That time what you do? You bring a box full of chocolates to children. That is called, oh, you're having so many chocolates in the box. Teacher will ask you, no, teacher or your friends will be asking you, so many chocolates are there. Give me 2 chocolates. Give me 3 chocolates. They'll be demanding you, no? Yes. Some means little. Many means more. Okay, next is sit. What is the opposite of sit, children? It is stand. So in the class, many times, teacher will be giving a punishment like sit, stand, sit, stand. At the time, what you do? You'll be having fun while Miss is telling for you. Yes, here, opposite of here is there. Yes, here, I'm standing here. So you are sitting there. Okay, here, there. Once I'll read out for this, write the opposites for these words, children. Okay, in, out. As I told you, if you're inside the class, you're in. Once you go out of the class, you go for PT or you go for washroom, that is out, children. Okay. Yes. Opposite of yes is no. Okay. Come, go. Some, many. Sit, stand. Here, there. Right now, children? Yes. Come to the next main now. Structure and grammar is there. Next one. Once I start writing on the board, follow my instructions and write with me only, children. Don't be slow. We'll keep on changing the mains and we'll be rubbing it. Yes. Now, next is structure and grammar, children. Okay. So this one, last class, last two classes before I had done the grammar book for you, no children. So some grammar points are there in this textbook also. Okay. Now, underline the right word. Underline the right answer. Sorry, children. Answer. Yes. The first one. So here you can see some pictures are there. They're given some pictures for you, children. Okay. Before that, sentence is there. This is. So you need to tell me the correct answer. Yes. Now, how many fruits do you see, children? You see only one apple is there. So one apple is there. So how you will tell? You will you explain tell it as these is a fruit or this is a fruit? How do you tell it? This is a fruit. Yes, very good. Underline that. This is the fruit. This is a fruit. If you see a single fruit, one fruit if you see, or one bench or one chalk piece, one pencil, one pen, whatever it is, if you have only one with you, this is a fruit, this is my pencil, this is my book. If it is only one, okay? If it is many, I will tell you, I'll explain you about that, okay? Yes, next one. Next picture is the yes, you can see stars are there. Okay. So the boy is showing the finger towards the sky. So what you need to tell? Yes. Now, yes, I told you if it is a single one, you need to tell it as this is a fruit. Now here 5 stars are there. So what you tell? You can't tell that are stars. No, those are stars. Okay, those are stars. So you're pointing out towards the sky and you keep on telling, see, so many stars are there in the sky. So that time you need to tell it as those are stars. Got it now, children? Yes, come to the third one now. What do you see the third picture? Third picture is small chicks are there. They're given you yes. 3 chicks are there. How many chicks? 3. Yes. Again, what you need to tell? They're given you 2 options here again. These and those are chicks. So how you would explain, children? Yes, these are chicks. So they are in front of you only. So you need to tell it as these are chicks. If it is far away from you, you need to tell that those are chicks. It is there only near you only, no? So you should tell it as these are chicks. The fourth one. The fourth one is again yes. What is this, children? What is this? Inside the clouds at the night time you see, no? What is that? Moon, yes. Again here the option is THAT, that. Second option is those. So every day in the sky, you see the moon, no? So how many moons will be there? Only one or many moons? Only one. So what you need to tell? That is a moon. Okay. If it is near you, next to you, you need to tell it as this is a fruit. If it is next to you only. Okay. If it is far away from you, what you need to tell? That is the moon. Got it? Yes. Come to the next picture. Page number 15, children. Page number 15, another last one picture is there. Just mark it in your pencil, children. Mark the answers in the pencil, okay? Yes, the last one, fifth one. Fifth one, again, they have showed a picture. Monkey is sitting on the tree. So, this and these. So, how many monkeys do you see there? Only one monkey is sitting on the tree. So, you need to tell it as this is a monkey. So, starting how you told, this is an apple, like that. This is a fruit, sorry. So, like that only, this is a monkey. Yes. So, now we have completed the mains, children. So, come to page number 16. Last exercise is there. Okay, it's about the activity, children. Creative writing. Okay. There also you need to just write the answers. Yes, it's the last main. So in the next class, I will teach you a new lesson once again. I'll come out with a new lesson. Okay. Just copy down this answers, children. Okay. Look at the picture and complete the sentences with words given. So you can see a picture. What is there in the picture? It is a zoo park. Okay. There animals have kept in the cage and one toy train is moving around. You can see a snake crawled to the tree, and what else? Monkey. You can see monkey eating banana, and parrots are there inside the cage. One elephant is there, one deer is there. Okay, so many things are there, children. Okay, just I'll write down the answers for you. Copy down, children. Okay. Yes. Now this is the last main, children. Okay, look at the picture and complete. The heading is very big, children. I'll just write a small heading for you. Okay. Yes. The first one, you just need to write the answer. Okay. No need to write the full this one. I'll also just write the answer here. I'll just underline here and I'll write the answer. Okay. The family is at the zoo. Just write off zoo. First one. Okay, the family is at the zoo. Second one, some children are talking, some children are taking a ride in the toy train. You can see children sitting inside the train. That is a toy train, children. Yes. Third one, The birds are in the cage. So where do they keep the birds? They keep it inside the cage. Come to the fourth one, children. Monkey is eating a banana. Monkey likes banana very much, no? So monkey is eating a banana. Last one. Come to the fifth one. The ducks are in the water. Yes. So I've completed the exercise, all the exercise, children. So today I just give a small homework for you. Okay. Last class I had given you the spellings, no children. I had given you the 18 spellings to write it for 3 times. Okay. So you do it neatly and bring it for the correction, children. Okay. Now here one more homework is there. So I'll just show you. I'll just write it on the board, children. Okay. I'll just write it on, mention on the board. You can see to that and write it. Okay. Yes. Now, yes, the second main. Read the lesson and complete the following sentences. Yes, it is page number 13. In page number 13, the following, what is this? The read the lesson and complete the following sentences. Okay. That one, you need to write it as one time in your English homework. Write it in your English homework, children. So this is your homework for today. Okay, last class I had given you the spellings. So today I am giving you read the lesson and complete the following sentences. It is in page number 13. That is the second main. Next to true or false. Okay, well, I'll just show you in the camera. See, this is true or false. Next main, the second main, what is there? That you need to write it as your homework, children. Okay. So I'll meet up you in the next class with a new lesson. That is lesson number 2. It's a toy shop. It is very fun also, children. I'll explain you about the lesson in the next class. So thank you so much, children. Meet you in the next class.